guys, in this video I want to teach you how to get 1,000 subscriber with ease. You get it? When I say with ease, it will shock you. It's just a simple strategy, and that is what I'm about to show you in this video. Without wasting more of your time, let's go to the tutorial. Let me show you the steps. You would buy me a cup of tea.
Viral shots. So when you tap on it, you search on it, then not every shot allow you to do what I'm about to show you, so just pay attention. Okay, let's see this one that say how to go viral on YouTube short. Let's tap on it. Let's play it. So now what do we do here? I'm not sure this video will allow us because the person's face is showing. So but let's try. You just tap on this plus button. No, this one is not going to allow us to do that, so let's go back. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Click on the plus button. Voila, this is the feature I'm looking at. You can see show speech bubbles of what you can, many prompts can display here, but this is the feature I just wanted. The last feature that is showing arrow in the front. This is the feature I'm looking at. Then you click on the feature. You click on it. Okay. Now this is it. Now you can, if you decide you add prompt, you may add prompt, or you may add the suggested prompt. Like this one, I say add golden treasure erupting. Okay, let me go with this, and then let me continue. Please on arrow. The video is generating. The shot is generating. We are going to wait until our shot completely generated. Okay, our video has been generated. You can see. Okay, our video has been generated. Now, what to do? Our video has been generated. What to do now is you may just tap. You may just click on to add something funny, or let me just say funny treasure box. Funny treasure box. Funny treasure box, just something like this, and then maybe you can just drag it up and then something like this. Then you click on next. You can see the video has been created. Then you can just add title. I just add like that title, like a funny treasure box, like funny treasure box, and then you can just add shocking emoji, like something like this. And then what next? And then maybe you add some hashtag to it. Then you hit publish like this. Voila, the video the shot has been created, and this kind of shot, like I said, gives you thousands of subscribers. So just do it exactly like this, and just be consistent for 2 weeks. You will come under this video and give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, subscribe and share for more updates like this. Again, thanks for your time.